10 ready-made short ideas. Spoken English short videos. Here are 10 ready-made short ideas. I can start uploading from today. Short 1. Stop saying very hard. Say it's challenging. చాలా కష్టం అని కాకుండా it's challenging అనండి. Very hard, wrong. It's challenging, right. Short 2. Daily English sentences. Useful English. I am on the way. అంటే నేను వస్తున్నాను. I am on the way. Right. Short 3. Stop saying what rudely. What అనడం rude. Say come again please. Or could you repeat what? What wrong? Come again please. Right. Short 4. ఫోన్లో ఉపయోగించే 5 వాక్యాలు. 1. Hang on a second. 2. I will call you back. 3. Can you hear me? 4. Hold on. 5. I am on another call. Short 5. Stop saying very hungry. Very hungry every time వద్దు. Say I am starving or I am famished. Very hungry, wrong. I am starving, right. Short 6. Travel English. Bus or train English. When will the bus arrive? బస్సు ఎప్పుడొస్తుంది? Short 7. Polite English. Could you please help me? మీరు నాకు సహాయం చేస్తారా? Short 8. Office English. I will get it done. నేను అది చేసేస్తాను. Short 9. Stop saying tell to him. Don't say tell to him. Wrong. Correct, tell him. Right. Short 10. I am coming in 5 minutes. I am getting ready. Give me a moment. Call me when you are free. Take your time.